Food poisoning will not only make you sick, it can cause long-term health problems. To help keep your family safe, follow these 4 simple rules. Clean. Wash hands, utensils, and surfaces often. Germs that can make you sick survive in many places around your kitchen, including cutting boards and countertops. Separate. Don't cross-contaminate. Keep foods separate in your shopping cart, and when preparing food, use different cutting boards and plates for produce, meat, poultry, seafood, and eggs. Cook to the right temperature. Food is safely cooked when the internal temperature is high enough to kill germs. Follow cooking directions and use a food thermometer to be sure your food is safe. Chill. Refrigerate and freeze food properly. Perishable foods should be refrigerated within 2 hours. Bacteria multiply quickest between 40 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Freezing does not destroy harmful germs, but it does keep food safe until you can cook it. This has been Zero to Safety in 60 Seconds. Remember to always aim for safety.